Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this short tutorial video, I'm going to show you a simple trick how you can lower the memory usage on the Brave browser on your computer. For example, if you have run into performance issues lately here while using the Brave browser, and if your Brave browser is using way too much of your computer's memory or RAM. So there's a simple trick you may apply, guys, to stop this and thus to improve the performance of the Brave browser. So what you want to do, guys, is launch the Brave browser and click on these three horizontal lines in the top right corner on your home screen. From that drop down menu here, hover your mouse over more tools, and here to the right, select performance from the following drop down menu. Now here inside your system settings, scroll down a bit till you get to the performance section, and all you need to do, guys, is enable the memory saver. The memory saver frees up memory or RAM from tabs that are inactive. So enabling this feature may have a significant impact on your browser's performance, because if you're working with, or if you used to work with, a lot of tabs at the same time, if you have all of them open at the same time, it literally eats your computer's memory. So using that feature may turn out to be quite beneficial. However, guys, at the end of the day, it is totally up to you. Also remember that inactive tabs will become automatically active again once you head back to them. So that's basically it, guys. That's the trick. Hope you enjoyed the video, got some value from it, and I'll catch you later.